Chatushpat, four state of consciousness. This is explained in Mandukya Upanishad. It reads, Om ityetat aksharam idam sarvam tasyopavyakhyanam bhutam bhavat bhavishadyiti sarvam onkara eva yachchanyati kalatitam tadvyonkara eva. What all is seen in this universe, Brahmanda, is forever. One cannot destruct it. That is Om. That letter is one, which is whatever we see in this universe is that letter is always there. Nothing can destroy it. This sound, Om itself, tells us what is now, what is happening, what may happen. All the truth is only Om. This is beyond the limits of past, present and future. It crosses all the borders of this, and it is beyond that, and that still truth is that Om. Sarvam hetad brahmayam atma brahma so ayam atma chatushpat. Here comes Chatushpat. Right? Sarvam hetad brahmaya. Everything is truly Brahman, nothing other than that. Even Atma is Brahman. All this is, whatever is Brahman only. Truly, we use the word Satya. And Atma also is Brahman. This Atma, Chatushpat. This should not be understood as this Atma has four legs, but this should be understood as this Atma should be realized in four stages, Chatushpat. We will see what is this four paths now. Jagarita sthano bahishragnah saptanga ekona vimshati mugah stula bhugvaishvanarah patamapada. The first pada, or the first stage, or first state of consciousness, there I mentioned about Chatushpada, four states of prajna, right? Consciousness. The first pada, or first state, or first state of consciousness is Vaishvanaraha. Jagartasthano Bahishragnah Saptangaha. Vaishvanara is the first stage, or first state of consciousness. Where it is? It is in Jagrata Avaste, when you are awake. Bahishragnah, the consciousness of this Jagrata Avaste is Bahirmukha, outside. It is Bahirmukha Prajna, external consciousness. To make you understand now, we are all in the consciousness of Vaishvanara as of now, all of us. We are in Jagrata Avaste, then we are in the state of Vaishvanara, and its consciousness is external. Then interesting, it has got 7 legs and 19 mouths, and this consciousness, this prajna, enjoys, gets happiness by the physical things around it. These 7 legs or organs are fire, Agni, eyes, and directions, all 4 directions. Vaku, that's my speech. Vayu, air. Heart. and legs. These are the 7 organs. Then it has got 19 mouths. They are very serious, dangerous. What are they? 5 Gnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, 5 Pranas, 15, right? And then 4 Antakaranas. 4 Antakaranas are mind, wisdom, intellect, and Ahankara. Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. These are the 19 mouths for it. This Vaishvanara, this consciousness, if you refer to Virat Purusha, we are talking about Virat, no? Virat is the first, no? Then only Hiranyagarbha comes. Suppose we apply this to Virat Purusha. Virat Purusha's head is Agni. Sun and moon are eyes. 8 or 10 directions are ears. And Vedas are his speech. Vayu is prana. Whole Brahmanda, the universe, his heart, and his legs are the earth. If you look at in the Jagrata Avastha, in that perspective, this is the Atma, which is Vishwavyapi, spread all over the Vishwa. That is Vaishvanara. That's why it's called Vaishvanara. This is called Virat. Yajurveda Parishishta appendix. As the Rigveda Parishishta appendix has got Purush Sukta. Purush Sukta is referring this Virat Purusha, please. Vishwa is what? Is it Brahmanda? No. It only refers to earth. Brahmanda is different from Vishwa. Vishwa, when I use Vishwa, it refers to earth planet. In Brahmanda, it refers to universe. This soul, this Atma is Vishwavyapi, spread all over the earth. That is Vaishvanara. That is Virat. Purush Sukta is written on this Virat Purusha. There, in Virat Purusha Sukta, Brahmanosya Mukhamasid Bahu Rajanya Kritaha. This is 12th line. Brahmanosya Mukhamasid Bahu Rajanya Kritaha. Puro tadasya yadvaishyaha padhyam shodro ajayata. This is what it reads. This is referring to Virat Purusha. This we are understanding as Brahmana is the head, Kshatriya is arms, Bhatte is Vaishya, and legs are Shudra. This is what we understood. That is not the meaning of that. When you understand now Vaishvanara, what is that? Virat Purusha. The Purusha has got 19 mouths. Why he should have 19 mouths and what he will do with 19 mouths? What the mouth will do normally? Speaking, right? It's already come in the 7 organs there. Already came. What has come there? Second is eating. It eats and the body receives it and it digests it. If you understand this properly, this is not happening only from mouth. All our Gnanendriyas are eating, are digesting. Similarly, all Karmendriyas receive so much, accept it, digest it. Pancha Pranagalu, they also receive everything, digest it. Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Hankara. They are also mouths only. They will be also receiving whatever that comes to. Your mouth also will not eat whatever unless you want to eat, right? Similarly, you must keep control on these 19 mouths also. When you have a selective eating, you want particular taste at particular time and all.
Yes.
Don't you have control on this another 19 mouths also same thing? No. We happily open it. Come on, you receive whatever you want, digest it, and I'll take it and keep it with me. No, no, no. So, in Jagrata Avastha, we receive everything from all 19 mouths, and that is continuously coming, that food. At least this eating is only twice or thrice in a day, but not these 19. They will be receiving the food 24/7, and it will be always takes the food, receives it, and also digests it. Here, I refer to Chandogya Upanishad tells that Ahara Shuddhau Sattva Shuddhihi. If you have a pure food, Sattva also becomes pure. So if you receive pure food, you will get pure Sattva, pure energy, pure everything. That should be understood as not like this. So I will have only milk, fruit, honey. I don't eat anything cooked. I'm living only on vegetables. I don't use salt also. Sattvika ahara I am taking. My food is wonderfully sattvic. You are taking sattvika ahara only by mouth. Another 18, what they are taking? Any time you thought of this? No, we have not thought. We are serious about this. Taking a sattvika ahara. Another 18, you will be from eyes seeing all that nonsense. You listen all that nonsense, and your mind is only receiving all bad thoughts. You are eating in all 19 mouths only bad food. Where is that Satyashuddhi comes? Where is that Satyashuddhi comes? Where is that Chandogya Upanishad? Ahara Shuddhau Satyashuddhi. Is it referring to only ahara you take with mouth only? No, no, no. Now we understand. Jagrata Avastha, that is Vaishvanara, that is the consciousness. In Jagrata Avastha, the state of consciousness is called Vaishvanara. It is Vishwayapi, spread all over the Vishwa. It has got 7 organs and 19 mouths.